Hey, what's going on, y'all? I'm Sneak, back with another video, and as you can see what's going on around me, we got pears popping, you know what I'm saying? Pears are ready. This pear tree has been, you know, abundant and fruitful for me this year, so I want to be sure to go ahead and, you know, actually get everything that it's trying to give me. So it's already been producing all summer for me. I got plenty of pears, been canning them up. I want to make sure I get these, you know what I'm saying? Nice, big and fat ones. Show y'all some of these fatties that I'm getting. You know, nice good size. And these are, I'm not sure exactly what the name of this pear is, but it's a nice, hard, firm canning pear. You know what I'm saying? Tastes nice and sweet. So if you're not sure, if you don't know how to tell if a pear is ready, the way that you tell on the tree is if you just take it and lift it up. Should just snap right off, just like that. That's what all of these are doing. Snap right off. Now, at this point, I'm doing a swipe down on this tree. So all the ones that are big to, you know, a nice size, I'm taking them with me right now. Even if some of them are not 100% ready. And what y'all also can't see, and what this video was more about, is it's a bunch of pears up here above me that y'all can't see right now, but I'm gonna tilt this camera up that I can't reach, you know, just with my hands. So today's video is gonna be about getting some of those, you know what I mean? Now, like I said, I'll show y'all maybe one more. When you're trying to get these pears, you know, just lift up on it. It should snap right off. Then snap right off at the top. So, but for these ones that's up tall, up high, since I can't reach them with my hand, I just came up with a invention on the spot. I call it the Pear Claw. So here's one end of the Pear Claw. I don't even think I can get this entire thing in frame right now, but here's one end of the Pear Claw. Okay, it's a nice ass branch, decent size, nice and sturdy, but lightweight. But also it needs to be strong and sturdy. Get you one that's lightweight, a nice size that you can hold up. So that's one end. And let's keep this going. And there we go. All right, so here is the other end. Now one end is a lot bigger than the other. That's the thicker end of the branch. This is the smaller end. You know what I mean? But this is what we got. Pretty much a V that's split down into the wood on both ends. Now what I can do with this is, whether I use the big end or this, you know, smaller precise end, I reach this up into the tree. I get the pear caught on this. So wherever the pear is at, I start at the top, hook the stem into this, and push down, bloop, pear falls off the tree because it's ready, the stem snaps right off, goes to the ground. Since these are a hard variety, you know, like a Asian canning pear, they're nice and hard, so I'm not worried about them smacking onto the ground. So I'm gonna move this wheelbarrow from underneath so it don't hit on the straight metal, you know, get hit on this nice ground, and I'm gonna show y'all how I've been getting down with this. Alright, so let's make sure y'all can see what I'm doing in frame. Let's see. Yep, y'all can see that. So that's too tall for me to get with my hand, but I can come in here right over top of this pear. Well, got a different one than I wanted. And if I can't get it with the small end, I hit it with that monster claw. And get them down. You know, and this one, the big end, can get multiple pears at a time. Get it on that, you know, on the top of the pears, on that branch right there. Hit it with a good force down. Pull them on down. So this is what I've been getting down with, you know, get my pears down. And this was just an invention off the top of my head. Was thinking around. I had seen a few other folks make something similar on YouTube, but this was what I had laying around that was easy for me to make, because I don't have, you know, I haven't purchased a you know, manufactured, what do you call it? I don't even know. Do you call them pear claws or what? Pear picker? I haven't purchased a manufactured pear picker. It's nature's pear picker, and they've been working for me just fine. So that's pretty much it for this video. Just wanted to show y'all, got these pears popping. And if you have a pear tree, especially a hard pear tree, you know, a variety like an Asian pear, a hard canning pear, then get you a nice, like I said, now this is a nice size, you know what I mean? That's the top of it, and you know, I can get up there some length, but get you a nice stick. If you don't got a pear picker, make you a pear claw, you know what I'm saying? Claw them pears down, and then, you know, just collect them from the ground, make sure they ain't get damaged, put them in your bucket or whatever you got, and keep it pushing. But that's it for this video. Helped you out at all, if you appreciate it, you know what I'm saying? Gave you a good idea. If you don't, you know, trying to get some pears, or I'm sure this will work for other fruits as well, go ahead, leave that like. You got any questions, hit up the comment box, and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace out for now. Squad.